What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add custom fonts in CapCut on your PC. If you want to make your videos stand out with unique typography, using custom fonts is a great way to personalize your edits. First, close CapCut completely before installing any new fonts. CapCut needs to be restarted to recognize newly installed system fonts. Now, open up your web browser and head to dafonts.com. You will see a wide variety of font categories, from script to tech to decorative styles. Browse to the options to find a font you like. Click the download button next to the font. Once the font downloads, locate the zip file, which you'll usually find in your downloads folder. Open the zip file, and here you should see one or more font files. These are usually in .otf or .ttf format. Double-click the font file to preview it. Then click the Install button at the top left of the preview window. This installs the font onto your Windows system, which also makes it accessible in CapCut and other programs like Word or Photoshop. After the installation finishes, reopen CapCut. Once you're inside the editor, go to the top menu and click on Text, and then select the plus icon to add the default text to the timeline. Type anything you want, and then look below the font section. Click where it says Font, and then scroll down to the System Font section. This is where all the fonts installed on your computer will appear. In this list, you should see the fonts you just added. Select it, and you will see your text update with the new custom font. And that's it. You've successfully added and used a custom font in CapCut on your PC. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.